Hey guys, it's Tom here from HID Projectors, and this one's a story. I'm going to tell you guys how I took this set of S60R headlights from the junkyard to looking like this. So stick around because this one is it's a doozy. So a customer purchased a set of lights on the website, bought our service just like normal, wanted the projector upgrade with the honeycomb etched lenses, wanted the LED DRL upgrade, said he's going to send in his headlights and a new lens. So great, we'll swap that lens over for you, no problem. Lights came in and they were a disaster. So it was quickly found out there's writing all over the back of the lights. They were pulled from a salvage yard. So I chatted with the customer and he admitted that they were. We dug in a little bit deeper and there were cracks all over the housings. Both of them had tabs missing and a hole in one of them. It was a mess. So we sat down and said, hey, what can we do here? Can we save these? And yeah, the answer was yes. So we took them apart. And by the way, these had the worst sealant too. Someone had been in here before. They were sealed with something that was like cement. So we took everything apart, started with one good lens and one brand new lens, and we had to repaint the bezels in the front. So these both got a fresh coat of paint. We kept the orange reflectors, which is an option to keep those or remove them. We put in the projector that you wanted with the honeycomb etched lens. You got the LED DRL, which now looks like this, and also has a built-in high beam. So when you hit your high beams, it will go into high beam mode, and it'll also activate the high beam on the projector. So if you guys with your P2Rs realize that the high beam is pathetic, this swap right here, we take out that old reflector and the D2R bulb, we put in a D2S bulb with our SR6 bi-xenon projector. So now you have a high beam and a low beam built into the projector. That's just phenomenal. I can't tell you guys how great the output is and the performances of this one. It's world class. It is such an improvement. It is so safe for everyone else and you on the road, and you're just gonna love it. So if you want to take your Volvo to 2026 level of performance, we do that. And this is a fancy one. This one's all loaded up. We can also do custom paint work as well, but you could choose just the projector swap. You don't have to mess with the daytime running light if you don't want to. You could just do a projector swap. There are no error codes with just the projector swap because we keep the same ballast and the bulb is compatible. So the vehicle's computer system doesn't know any different. You just now have a high performing set of headlights. So you go from that pathetic D2R xenon based setup to a true high performance by xenon. So if you want your lights to look like this, head over to HIDprojectors.com. We'll hook you up. If it takes extra work, we'll talk to you about your options. We treat everyone's vehicle as if they were our own. I'm a big Volvo guy too. You guys know I've had a bunch of P2Rs. So this one was a fun one. It was a lot of work. We did have to rescue and repair a lot of tabs. You can see some epoxy back here. We had to basically rebuild that whole tab for the customer. There's a hole back here. We had to reseal that. You can see some of the writing from the salvage yard where it was pulled from, but ultimately everything's ready to roll now. It should be 100% ready to rock. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to building some more lights for the Volvo community.